Hi YouTube, this is Jasmine and I'm back with another video about the fun shops. So we're going to go over the internet plans that are available on Carnival cruise ships. They have 3 plans available. There's a social Wi-Fi plan that's for $6.80 per day. They have a value Wi-Fi plan for $10.20 per day. And they have a premium Wi-Fi plan for $14.45 per day. So we're going to go over each one individually and see which one would be a best fit for you. Okay, so we're going to click on the social Wi-Fi plan. Okay, so Carnival Cruise offers a social Wi-Fi plan if you need access while you are on a cruise ship. You'll have access to the most popular social websites and applications. That includes Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, Snapchat, and the most popular airline sites if you wanted to do early checking in at the end of your cruise. However, it does not include access to most other websites or apps. If you book early, you can save 15% when you book prior to sailing versus onboard pricing. And the cutoff time for pre-purchase is 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time, the day before embarkation. And additional restrictions apply, and we're going to go over those details below. So what's included in the social Wi-Fi plan? The social Wi-Fi plan lets you access popular social networks including Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, so you can post pictures of your trip and make your friends jealous. You have access to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook Messenger, and WhatsApp, as well as the most popular airline sites including American Airlines, Delta, United, Southwest, Spirit, JetBlue, Virgin America, Air Canada, Alaska Air, WestJet, Hawaiian Airlines, and Allegiant. Okay, so to keep you connected while at sea, every one of Carnival ships provides satellite internet access facilitated through the Hub Internet Cafe and through the bow to stern ship-wide Wi-Fi network. To access Wi-Fi, you will simply turn on your device's Wi-Fi feature and you will receive the information needed to connect. You can do this anywhere on board the Carnival ships. All of the ships feature areas with publicly accessible computers, which are open 24 hours a day. So some of the restrictions. Only one device at a time can connect to Wi-Fi. Not all ships have internet available for purchase prior to sailing. All internet plans can be purchased once on board. The satellite internet speed may vary depending on location and time of day. Video streaming sites such as Hulu and Netflix are blocked. Access to certain sites such as mature or violent content is blocked. Cellular network dependent Wi-Fi calling and FaceTime services are also not supported. VPN connections are not supported. You'd have to discuss that with your company's IT department if you plan on working while you're on your ship. No refunds after plan is activated on board. And pricing for plans purchased pre-cruise vary from plans purchased at the time of sailing. Okay, so that's all about the social Wi-Fi plan. So next, we're going to do the Wi-Fi value plan. So the Wi-Fi value plan is $10.20 per day. You can surf all your favorite sites, including email, news, sports, weather, banking, and finance. And please note, it does not support Skype calling or music video streaming, such as Spotify or Netflix. If you purchase prior to sailing, you can save up to 15%. Wi-Fi packages purchased prior to sailing can only be purchased online. And the cutoff for pre-purchase is 11:59 Eastern, the day of embarkation. Additional restrictions apply, just like the first Wi-Fi plan. So what's included? The value Wi-Fi plan lets you access popular social networks, email news sites, sports, weather, banking, so you can post pictures of your trip and make your friends jealous. You'll have access to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook Messenger, and WhatsApp, as well as the most popular news entertainment, not including streaming sites, weather, lifestyle, and finance. To keep you connected while at sea, every one of our ships provides satellite internet access facilitated through the Hub Internet Cafe and through the bow to stern ship-wide Wi-Fi network. To access Wi-Fi, simply turn on your device's Wi-Fi feature and you will receive the information needed. You can do this anywhere on board the ship. All of our ships feature areas with publicly accessible computers, which are open 24 hours a day. So they have the same restrictions as the prior plan. You can only connect one device at a time. Not all ships have internet available for purchase prior to sailing. All internet plans can be purchased once on board. Satellite internet speed may vary depending on location and time of day. Video streaming sites such as Hulu and Netflix are blocked. Access to certain sites such as mature and violent content is blocked. Cell and network-dependent Wi-Fi calling and FaceTime services are also not supported. VPN connections are not supported. You'll have to contact your company for that. And no refunds after the plan is activated on board. Pricing for plans purchased pre-cruise vary from plans purchased at the time of sailing. Okay, so that's all about the value Wi-Fi plan. And the third Wi-Fi plan that Carnival Cruises has is the premium Wi-Fi plan. So we're going to go over that one in detail. Okay, so the premium Wi-Fi plan is $14.45 per day. You can use email to Skype. The premium plan promises the fastest possible connection at speeds up to 3 times faster than our value plan. It supports Skype video calling where coverage allows. You can save up to 15% when booked prior to sailing versus onboard pricing. Wi-Fi packages purchased prior to sailing can only be purchased online. The cutoff for pre-purchase is 11:59 p.m. Eastern, the day before embarkation. Additional restrictions apply. Okay, so what's included in the premium Wi-Fi plan? Well, from email to Skype, the premium Wi-Fi plan offers the fastest possible connection at speeds up to 3 times faster than our value plan. The premium plan also supports Skype video calling where coverage allows. To keep you connected while at sea, every one of our ships provides satellite internet access facilitated through the Hub Internet Cafe and through the bow to stern ship-wide Wi-Fi network. To access Wi-Fi, simply turn on your device's Wi-Fi feature and you will receive the information needed. You can do this anywhere on board the ship. All of Carnival ships features areas with publicly accessible computers, which are open 24 hours a day. So a tip, you can chill with your queue on vacation. Folks cruising on Carnival Vista, Carnival Horizon can access Netflix on with this package. However, you will need a separate Netflix subscription to stream Netflix. So that's the overview of all of Carnival's internet plans on board the ship. On my last cruise, I personally used the social Wi-Fi plan that's only $6.80 per day. I basically used Instant Messenger my whole trip to call my kids or to do video chat with my kids. So this works fine if you only need that or if you need to check in early for your flights back home. So the social Wi-Fi plan worked for me, but if you need more access and faster speeds, I would consider the Wi-Fi plan, the value Wi-Fi plan, or if you need more high speed, use the premium Wi-Fi plan. But keep in mind that there are a lot of people on the ship accessing the same network at the same time, so speeds may vary. So if this video helped you at all, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment about if you've used these plans before and how did they work for you. Was the service crappy or not? Or is it even worth getting some of these plans? That's about all I have. So thank you for watching and have a good night.